Hello, myself Dr. Manisha Ashwin Davre. I'm consultant rheumatologist at Manipal Hospital, Whitefield, Bangalore. So there are many myths and misconceptions about arthritis and rheumatism in common public that causes delay in the diagnosis and starting treatment in these patients. So in this particular video, we'll try to bust all these myths and we'll share some of the facts related to arthritis in front of you. Now let's come to the myth number 1, that only elderly people they get arthritis. So this is most common and widespread myth associated with development of arthritis. Rather, there are many types of arthritis or inflammatory autoimmune arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, juvenile idiopathic arthritis or lupus. They rather more commonly affect younger population and even childhood population. So autoimmune condition or arthritis, they know no boundaries. Even younger population or smaller children, they also can get arthritis and rheumatism. So now let's come to myth number 2, that joint pain always happens because of weather condition. So this is another big myth associated with joint pain. So joint pain, if it remains persistent for more than 6 weeks duration and not following any weather boundaries, particularly when it is associated with extra articular, means away from joint pain symptoms like swelling of the joint, stiffness of the joint, skin rashes, excessive tiredness, unexplained fever for prolonged period of time, it could be sign of autoimmune condition, and that's why it needs to be evaluated by medical personnel or a rheumatologist. So myth number 3 is exercise is bad for joint pain, but rather movement is a medicine for joint pain patient. Gentle and regular exercises rather give good flexibility, improve the strength in the joints, and the supervised physiotherapy or low impact exercises like swimming, yoga, regular walking can rather improve the symptoms of arthritis. So let's come to myth number 4, that arthritis cannot be treated. This is a wrong concept in population. Though majority of autoimmune condition related arthritis, they are not cured, but they can be very well managed, and with proper treatment, timely introduction of disease modifying agents, proper usage of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent, physiotherapy, they all can improve the life of arthritis patient, and patient can lead a near normal and active life. So coming to next myth, that is myth number 5, painkillers are enough to treat arthritis symptoms. So taking painkillers for long period of time just relieve your symptoms temporarily, but it doesn't address the root cause of arthritis. Taking painkillers for long period of time without any medical supervision can be more harmful than not taking medication. Rheumatologists, they use some specialized kind of treatment for treating your joint symptoms and other autoimmune condition that can make you better without side effects. So myth number 6 is diet can cure arthritis symptoms. Diet can be complementary to your medication. So regular and balanced diet will be helpful along with medication. It cannot replace the follow-up visits or taking medication for arthritis symptoms. Believing in all these myths can prevent you from getting right treatment at right time. So if you know somebody who's suffering from joint pain, joint swelling, prolonged fever, unexplained skin rashes, please consult the rheumatologist at the earliest.